In an advancing world where 5G connectivity is a must, the Realme 8 and the Realme 8i don't have a 5G connection. This doesn't really make them exciting smartphones, but they can hold their own. Well, let's see how best they both work and which one is relatively better. Here is the Realme 8i vs Realme 8 speed test comparison and more. The Realme 8 and 8i are part of the Realme family. Up front they don't look like much, but both smartphones are pretty impressive. Though they both belong to the same brand, they have some similarities, and there are a couple of features that set them apart and make them different.
For those who can tell the difference.
Features like their different refresh rates and similarities like the operating system and chipset, which we will talk about coming up in a bit. In terms of design, the Realme 8 weighs slightly less than the 8i at 177 grams and 194 grams. Having a glass front, plastic frame, and plastic back with a 73.9mm width and 8mm thickness, available in the colors Cyber Black and Cyber Silver. While the 8i also packs a glass front, plastic frame, and plastic back, 75.5mm in width and 8.5mm in thickness, and is also available in the color options Space Black and Space Purple. The Realme 8 comes with the Super AMOLED screen display, 90Hz refresh rate, ATR10, with 1000 nits peak brightness, and a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels. The Realme 8i, on the other hand, features the IPS LCD, a refresh rate of 120Hz, 600 nits peak brightness, and a resolution of 1080x2412 pixels. Both the Realme 8 and 8i come with MediaTek Helio G95 chipset, the Realme 8 packing the octa-core 2 GHz, dual-core, Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz, hexa-core, Cortex-A55, processor, and the 8i packing the octa-core, dual-core, Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz, hexa-core, Cortex-A55 processor paired with Mali G76 MC4 and Mali G57 MC2 graphics respectively. Along with that, both phones have the same architecture of 64-bit and 4GB RAM and 128GB for the 8 and 64GB internal memory for the 8i. Both models also run on the Android 11 operating system, which is upgradable to Android 12 coupled with the Realme UI custom UI. Hopefully, both the 8 and the 8i battery are something to write home about. Stay with us, and let's find out about the battery and battery life. Get interactive with us by hitting the subscribe button for more reviews and tech content. And now the camera. The Realme 8 comes with a 64MP main camera, f/1.79 aperture, PD autofocus, 8MP ultra-wide, f/2.25 aperture, 2MP macro, f/2.4 aperture, 2MP B and W, f/2.4 aperture, and can capture videos up to 4K at 30fps, which is quite impressive. The 8i features triple cameras, a 50MP main camera, f/1.8 aperture, autofocus, 2MP macro, f/2.4 aperture, and 2MP depth sensor, and can also capture videos up to 1080p at 30/60ths/120fps. Here, the 8 takes the win with better camera than the 8i.
We got us a winner!
Similarly, they both have a 16MP front camera, and other features include HDR and panorama for the Realme 8 and panorama for the 8i, which allows you to capture scenery by putting together multiple shots taken by panning the camera horizontally or vertically while you take the shots. So, whenever you go out and want to capture the moment all in one shot, the panorama feature comes in handy.
I am loving this.
Some more camera features available for the 8 also include Starry Mode, Tilt Shift, Neon Portrait, Dynamic Bokeh, AI Color Portrait, Super Nightscape, Panoramic View, Expert, Time Lapse, Portrait Mode, AI Scene Recognition, AI Beauty, Filter, Chroma Boost, and Bokeh Effect Control. And for the 8i, they include Ultra Steady Video, Night Mode, Panoramic View, Expert, Time Lapse, Portrait Mode, AI Scene Recognition, AI Beauty, Filter, Chroma Boost, and Slow Motion. When it comes to connectivity, they are both dual SIM, non-OSIM compatible, supporting 4G LTE, 3G HSPA+, 2G AGG and GPRS networks, but not 5G as mentioned earlier, Wi-Fi 800, and 2.11 bits//in, and Bluetooth 5.1. Both the 8 and 8i come equipped with fingerprint sensors and Face ID unlock. Other sensors available for the 8 are the light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope, and magnetic induction sensor. And the 8i sensors include magnetic induction sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, gyrometer, acceleration sensor, and compass. And finally, the battery. The Realme 8 and 8i come packed with a 5000 mAh LiPo non-removable battery, with the 8 coming with 30W fast charging, while the 8i comes with 18W fast charging. Both, however, don't support wireless and reverse charging. NanoReview.net's battery life test showed that during web browsing, the 8i lasted 13.2 hours, while the 8 13.54 hours. During watching videos, the 8i lasted 10.59 hours, while the 8 lasted 9.49 hours. During gaming, the 8i lasted 6.12 hours, and the 8 lasted for 6.31 hours, and on standby lasted 142 hours and 103 hours, respectively. With the Realme 8i having a general battery life of 36.1 hours, and the Realme 8 with 32.23 hours. While there may be some downsides to the Realme 8 and 8i, both phones have proven that they can definitely hold their own. For other phone review options, you can check out this video about the Motorola Edge 39 Neo.